Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. I hope you're staying at home and staying safe and healthy. I'm back after a long time. I didn't post anything for more than 2 weeks now, but now I'm going to be very regular with my videos. So today's video is different from what I've done in the past. It's completely different. I've not done anything like this before. I'm going to do fluid art, and this is something I wasn't aware of until last year. Last year, fluid art was so trending. I think perfect to do at this point of time because we can't go out, and this is something you can also try doing because it is super fun. I'm also a little nervous because I'm really bad at paintings and drawing. I just suck at all of them, but I'm gonna try my best. I watched a dozen videos on how to do this fluid art thing, so keeping my fingers crossed, I'm gonna begin. But before I begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on to get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's get started. So it took almost 3 hours to completely dry, and this is the final result. I'm really happy with it. I think I did a decent job. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this. And I'm planning to write something on this, like a quote or something. Let's see if I'll do it in the future, but as of now I'm just going to keep it like this. I absolutely love this. So it was really fun and a great time pass, also very affordable. I think once in a while I can definitely do this in the future. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video, and I will see you in my next video.